You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Welcome back to Microsoft Teams Beginner Series. In today's video, we are going to focus on one of the core part of Microsoft Teams, that is chatting and messaging. So whether it is a quick one-to-one chat or a group conversation, knowing how to use chat effectively can really boost communication and teamwork. So let's jump right in. So there are two main types of chats in Teams. The first one is one-to-one chat for private conversations. And the second is group chat for small teams, project groups, or just few people working together. Now, to start a chat, you just head to the Chat tab on the left-hand side of your Teams dashboard and search for the person you want to talk with. Or you can select multiple people if you want to start a group conversation. And that's it. Now you are ready to start typing. Well, when it comes to typing your message and sending it, Teams give you a lot of flexibility at this point as well. Here you can format your messages with bold text. You can put bullet points. You can even put links to other websites and more. So it is very easy to organize your thoughts in a very concise message. You can also add some personality with the help of emojis. You can put GIFs, or you can put stickers as well. You know, sometimes just a thumbs up or a laughing GIF says more than a full sentence. So if you don't want to put a long sentence just for a quick reply, you can also hover on top of the message and click on that thumbs up to just say, yes, I agree. So it's all about making your message both clear and engaging. Now, if you want to make sure someone sees your message, well, you can use @mention. So just type @ followed by that person's name, and they'll get a notification. In Teams channels, conversations are threaded, which means you can reply directly to a message, and that reply stays grouped with the original post. This keeps things tidy and help everyone follow the flow of the discussion. So imagine every conversation stays in the bubble and you can see the whole conversation thread. Now, as you start using Teams more, you'll probably want to manage your chats a bit. Well, remember, we already discussed that you can again pin important conversation so that they always stay on top. And if you don't want to get disturbed, you can also mute chats. And yes, you can edit or delete messages if you made a mistake or just want to change something. These tools help you keep your chat organized and distraction-free. Now, what if you lost the track of a message or a file? You don't know where it was. Well, no problem. Teams have a very powerful search bar right on the top. It's always there. Here you can search by keywords. You can put people's name there, or even the file name you are searching for. You can also filter your search results to help narrow down things. It's a real time saver when you're trying to track something down very quickly. And if the conversation is pretty long, well, it can save a lot of time. Now let's bring it all together with a quick run-through on the Teams dashboard.
All right, now let's check out how you can start a conversation with a team member one-to-one. So for that, you need to find the team member you want to chat with. If you go to your chat and expand this chat option, you will see most of the recent team members there. And if you don't find the member you want to talk with, well, you can search for that member. If you search for that member, say test user, and then you can send the message, and it's gone. Now, I already logged in with this test user on the other sandbox environment. So I will go to the sandbox environment and I open the team, and you will see that your message is now received. Plus, I can also write a long message and then format it like this. Then you can click on the format button. If you want to format it, let's say I want to make it bold, or I can remove that. I can format it properly, dash it, then I can put it in bullet points, numbers if I want. Plus, I can highlight some important data if I want. Let's say I just want to highlight this part. And I can highlight in this color. All right. Then I want to, let's say, increase the text size. Well, I can do that. And so on. Once you are happy with your format, then you can send the message. And the other person will see the exact formatted message. You can also send message with emojis if you want. Now you have multiple options. Either it can be your emoji or GIF or even stickers. And if you're not able to find the specific emoji you want, you can also do a generic search. Like hello. You can also send GIFs and search for it. And even stickers will work. And send it. Now, instead of replying to the message or typing it out, if you just want to send a quick reply, just say, yeah, I will do that, or just a heads up, well, you can also do that. So for that, just right click on the message. Let's say this is the message, and you will see the quick reactions. Or even if you just hover on top of the message, you will see the quick reactions. So you can just hover and say, yeah, thumbs up. So these are pretty neat if you just want to send a quick reply and then take your time to think about it and send a proper reply later. Plus, how about this user wants a specific file from the different user? Well, you can also add. If you click on this add button, you can attach your file, you can schedule meeting, set delivery options, schedule meeting with this person, or record video clips. So let's attach a file. You can attach a file from the cloud as well as from the device. So I have some random pictures. I will just select one, click open, and send. And the other person will get the file attachment. So this is how you can start a chat with the person and also send emojis, reactions, stickers, GIFs, and even files.
All right, so that's it for chatting and messaging in Teams. In the next video, we will dive into meetings and video calls, how to schedule them, join the video call, and make the most out of your time in virtual meeting. Well, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video then. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. If you have any questions or comments, drop it down in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.